Hello! Jal Ayer here at nagpunta ako sa Franchise Asia Philippines or Franchise Expo at nagpunta ako with my aunt. There she is. So, going here, meron na akong target na business na gusto kong i-franchise, and that would be small to face or a milk to shop. So, that's why halos lahat ng pinuntahan kong stall ay puro coffee shops or milk to shops to conserve my energy and time na din. Siyempre, nakakapagod din kaya.
Prices ma'am. Medyo loading lang. Ito ma'am. Ayan ma'am, pinakamura 55. Ang cold brew natin is 110 pesos. Medyo loading lang ma'am. Ayan ma'am, malinaw.
Ay, yung royalty net.
6% po ng monthly cost per month. Ayan.
At syempre, sinulit ko na ang buong araw at naglibot-libot ako to find additional options na coffee shop or milk to shop na pwede kong i-franchise. Kaya bumaba na kami para tignan yung mga other stall sa ground floor kasi nag-start kami sa taas.
Taiwan to local?
This is Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah. 1,000 store worldwide already. Yeah.
And also, the purpose of this video is for my own documentation too kasi syempre hindi ko naman lahat matatandaan eh. Kaya pagod na yan. Medyo nakakapagod din siya guys at masakit din sa paa. Pero syempre, this is for our own good para meron tayong other source of income.
Initial supplies po, ready to operate na po. Powders nyo, yung equipments, tapos yung utensils nyo. Tapos bukod po dun, meron tayong one-on-one training po. Si owner, si staff, yun po. Tapos pwede rin po tayong mag-ano ng layout. Pre-layout po yun ng magiging tarpaulins po yan.
Honestly, meron na akong location for the business. Kaya lang, the building itself is going to be renovated pa lang. Kaya hihintayin ko pa yun matapos. And then, syempre, fill up tayo ulit ng form. Di ko na alam kung ilang forms na yun na fill upan ko within the day. Pero it's okay. And I know that franchising doesn't really guarantee the success of your business. It still depends on the manner of how you handle the business. Because there's a high chance or possibility that it will fail. Kaya you really need to take it seriously and study the game. At pagkatapos namin mag-ikot-ikot, syempre, nagutom kami at kumain kami sa Mendoza Raw Ramen ba? Habang nintay namin yung order namin for the vlog ang ate yung girl. O, tumatapon pa. Gutom na yan. Ayan, perfect. Charan! Ayun na ang ating food. Pero syempre, for the vlog pa rin ang ate yung girl. At habang kumakain ako, nag-iisip-isip na ako niyan at meron na akong 4 na pinagpipilian para i-franchise. Siyempre, sa taste ng products at affordability ng price for my target market, magkakatalo-talo lahat. At pagkatapos namin kumain, nag-book na ako ng Grab para makauwi na kami.
Sir Domingo po.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!